Hey guys, today let's learn how to save your CapCut video onto your gallery. So in the case that you always want to go ahead and save your CapCut edited video on your phones or your PC's gallery, I'm going to teach you guys on this video on the PC version. So let's just hop right onto the video. Okay, so over here I have already launched my CapCut video editor, and I also have a sample project already going on. Now this is going to be pretty simple. I have just added a video file on here with a quick text box on the top asking people to subscribe, obviously. And if you want to go ahead and save this onto your gallery, that's going to be pretty easy. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just export this onto the PC. Now, how do you basically do so? That's going to be pretty easy and obvious because the export button is located on the top right corner of the screen, just right next to the X button of the program. All we need to do is just tap on export right there, and as you see, it's going to be all editable. We could actually change the title right here. Let's just change this to sample. And it can also change the file location, or rather where this file will be saved, just by tapping on the folder icon right here. We can now basically scroll through the other files and choose where we want this file to be saved. In this case, that is going to be good for me. We could also change the video exporting. As you see, change the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, frame rate, and cover. And of course, lastly, we could also change, or rather add, exporting audio. Now this is going to give you two different files, a video in MP4 and also an audio on MP3. And that's basically it, guys. Just tap on export once you're done. And as you see, it's automatically going to be exported. It's actually exported right now. Now, if you want to go ahead and see the file, just tap on open folder. And now you have successfully saved your sample file or your video that you have edited on CapCut onto your gallery, in this case onto the PC where we want it to be downloaded. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.